Savoy Hotel. Is it actually worth your money, or you just paying for the name? What do the rooms really look like inside? Is the food a high-quality experience or just a basic repetitive buffet? And what about the Wi-Fi? Does it even work? I am answering all these questions to help you decide before you book. Let's dive in. Location. The Savoy is in Muntazah area, only 10 minutes from the airport. Its biggest win, you are in the heart of Soho Square, the city's best nightlife entertainment hub. Rooms are spacious, clean, and the build quality is solid. The minibar inside rooms are normal, with a kettle for tea and coffee. There is no coffee machine. They do provide a hairdryer, iron, fresh towels, and ropes, which is very convenient. The AC is powerful. Beds are comfortable, but the TV is small and old. It definitely needs an upgrade. As for the style, it's a bit dated. The furniture feels a bit old, but let's be realistic. To get a truly modern room in a 5-star hotel in Sharm, you'd have to pay a much higher price. In its price range, the Savoy is pretty much the standard. The Savoy's top-tier room even comes with a private jacuzzi. The buildings are only 3 floors high, and most rooms overlook the swimming pools. Beach. The Savoy is a frontline hotel, so no shuttle is needed. It is just a short walk from your room. The beach area is sandy. You can sit at the water's edge and let the waves cover you. But for a full swim, you will definitely need the jetty. The jetty is short and stable. At the end, there is a small enclosed sea pool area surrounded by the jetty itself. Perfect if you want to enjoy the salt water without drifting into the open deep. The big advantage here is the hotel is in the White Night Bay, one of the best spots of snorkeling in Sharm El Sheikh. On the sand, you've got everything from a beach bar to a diving center, ready for the action. Pools. The Savoy offers 5 different swimming pools, 3 regular and 2 heated. The main highlight is the massive 3-level lagoon pool featuring a shallow area and underwater music. If you want a drink without leaving the water, there is a convenient swim-up bar at the rocky pool. The water is clean and the maintenance is on point. Main buffet. If you are staying on a half-board or all-inclusive basis, Tirana is the main restaurant for your meals. The buffet has a wide selection of choices, ranging from appetizers and soup all the way to fruits and desserts. The quality of food is very good. Everything I tried was well-seasoned and delicious. The menu changes throughout the week, which is more than enough to keep things interesting. The live cooking station for pasta and the grilled meat are efficient and serve well-prepared food. They also have live music during dinner, which add a really nice touch to your evening. Alakarta dining. Inside the Savoy, there are 6 specialized spots, including seafood, Turkish, and Greek cuisines. Keep in mind, these restaurants are not included in any meal plan. Whether you are on half-board or all-inclusive, you will pay for your meals here. A great advantage is that you don't need pre-booking. You can just walk in. On average, a meal costs around $30 per person, and you can pay cash or simply charge it to your room. All restaurants have their menu displayed outside with prices, so you can check everything before you decide to go in. Entertainment. Inside the hotel, the animation team is active and friendly without being pushy. Outside, you have the best entertainment spot in the city, with international shows at Soho Square. It's the perfect spot for those who want to be in the heart of action. Staff and service. The service is good, but not exceptional. However, it is perfectly acceptable for this price range. Housekeeping is very good. They are consistent and keep the rooms clean. In the restaurant and bars, the waiters are fast, but you can feel they are under pressure during peak hours. One positive thing, I didn't face any annoying tipping culture pressure. Wi-Fi. The connection is adequate for basic needs like messaging or social media scrolling. However, if you are planning for high-speed work, large file uploads, or 4K streaming, expect a noticeable lag. Value for money. I paid $150 a night, and I think it is a fair deal, especially for this great location, the amazing snorkeling spot, and the decent buffet. It is not the best hotel ever, but the value for money is fair. I've left the booking link in the description and the first comment. So, when should you book this hotel, and when should you skip it? But before we reveal that, if you have any questions about the Savoy that I didn't cover, or any question about Sharm El Sheikh in general, just drop a comment below and I will answer you personally. Also, let me know which hotel you want to see in the next review. Now, book this hotel if you are a snorkeling fan, you want to be steps away from Soho Square, you prefer classic vibes over modern decor, you like calm wave-free water. Skip it if you want a modern, high-tech rooms, you need a sandy walk-in beach, you require high-speed Wi-Fi.